Dajahal. Hello everyone, my name's Kurt. Thanks for joining me as we study and learn beautiful Chinese. The beauty of this channel is that we're all learning together. So this time we have characters. We're still doing radicals. On the left side we have, overall we have 10. On the left side is what the character looks like by itself. And then we have an example character with other pieces of a puzzle, and I have the English definition on the far right in each column. So let's start with going over, we'll just go over the first character, the character on the left, the basic character. So the first one is strength. And the second one, let's see. The second one is again. It means again by itself. The third one is mouth. The fourth one is enclosure. And this one is smaller. Mouth is smaller than enclosure. And there is a slight difference. I'll show you the variation when we go over each of these characters. The fifth character is ground or earth. Ground or soil. Ground or soil. Ground or soil. Now number 6 is sunset by itself. The 7th character is big. The 8th character means female or girl. The 9th character is son or child. I'm making sure. Son. Yeah. You can't put if you put female and another character that's yeah. That's just son. I had to think about that one. The last one is tiny or inch. So what we're going to do now is first we'll go over the plain character by itself. Then we'll go over and I'll put that on top, and then I'll put the character on the right side or in the middle. I put the English definition of the English definition is for the middle character or the character on the right. So I put the definition for the character on the right for the example character that has 2 or 3 other pieces to make another character. So we'll start with strength and 1, 2. That's the basic character. Now, the character on the right with the example, it means help or assist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That kind of has a slight angle to it. 6, 7. So this means help or assist. Let me get my eraser. Alright, second character means again by itself. 1, 2. That's what it looks by itself. Now the one on the right is friend or friendship. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. So, and that means these are basically, those are equal in line with each other. So again, the basic one, and the bottom one is friendship or friend. Next is mouth. 1, 2, 3. And that goes down, curves down at the end. That's mouth. Now, the character on the right is to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mouth and to eat. Character number 4, enclosure. And it's bigger than the character. As you can see in the middle there are looks like two boxes. So the outside one is enclosure, the inside one is mouth. And by the way, the character on the right side of that whole character, the one that means help or assist, of course, that is the radical. The bottom part of friend, that's the radical. The mouth is over here. And then the enclosure is the outside of the character. So as we will see. 1, 2, 3. And this has a little extra line sticking down. It doesn't hook down like you do with mouth. So that's what it looks like by itself. And then 1, 2, and then you go on the inside. The last line, when you have something on the inside, you finish the inside before you do the last line. So 1, 2, and we're doing a mouth on the inside. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means to return. And of course the outside of this character is the radical. That's the enclosure of the outside part of it. Number 5. It's the one that's Earth, and then we're gonna do the inside. The character on the right is inside, or inner. All right, we're gonna do Earth on the top. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do inner, or inside. And what we have here on the top of that character is a field. So we'll start with the field. 1, 2, 3. Just trying to think how that. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the bottom part of this is the radical. Okay, number 6, the one on the left is sunset, and the one on the right means it's a dream, to have a dream. It's not the verb, it's the noun. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the sunset in character, and then the dream character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 2 trees, and then 9, 10, 11. That's sunset, and then this is a dream. All right, next. So number 7 is big, the character by itself. And then the one with the radical in it is, let's just do big first. I'll do 1, 2, 3. That's big. Now the next one we're going to do is one with a radical. The radical is going to be on the bottom. The character big is going to be on the bottom. It's going to be the character we're drawing is beautiful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So big is the part on the bottom. So big, and then this one is beautiful or pretty. Character number 8 is female or girl. Oh, I need to do that on top so you can see the what it looks like by itself and what it looks like as a radical. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 strokes for female or girl. Now this one actually has 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is moon or month. This character it's by itself on the left. Now you have 2 pieces on the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And as you can see, the female is on the bottom right. This means waist, like on the, not to throw away, not that waist, W-A-I-S-T, waist. Or kidney, or it's the kidney. Okay. Number 9 is sun. It's character for sun. The person, not the sun in the sky. 1, 2, 3. And this line on the bottom, this vertical line, this horizontal line is longer than this top part. So that's 3 strokes. This is sun, S-O-N. Okay, now we're going to do another one. The sun character is going to be on the left, and it looks slightly different than this, and you'll see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6. This one is grandchild. It could be grandson or granddaughter, but this is if you put this character first and then the girl, sorry. So if you put this character first and then you put female, that makes it granddaughter. So as you can see, the radical is on the left. And what do we see here on this side? That's small. So sun, it's already sun by itself, right here. So sun, and then that's like saying younger than the sun. I don't know, maybe you could try to memorize it that way. But sun and then small, or little. Okay, and the last one is, it means tiny or inch. 1, 2, 3. Right, that's what it looks like by itself. Now we're going to put it in with another character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one means, and of course you see this, you see that the radical is on the right in this case. So inch or tiny, and then this one means correct or right. Like when you agree with someone, when they say, when you want to make sure, when a person is making, did I say that right? Yes, you would say correct. So some context you would say yes, sometimes you would say correct. So that's what it is. Okay, these are 10 more radicals. I think we will do 10 again. That way this board is even. That way I don't have 9 on one side, 9 and in one video and then another 9. So we're going to do another 10, and after that we'll only have 8 more radicals left. So maybe I should have just done 10 4 times. Oh well, that's no big deal. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned some more. Not only did we go over root characters, you know, characters what they look like by themselves, but I gave you examples and their meanings. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, get the word out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit that like button, guys. All right, see you later. 再见.